This is me doing the shrimp and broccoli macaroni and cheese. I am the humble spirit, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Blessings. It's my first video, so y'all bear with me. I'm so nervous. But I do TikTok, so, you know, hey y'all, hey. On TikTok, my name is the humble spirit. Y'all go on over there and look at some of the stuff I do. I think I'm funny. I really think I'm funny. If I'm not, you tell me I'm not. That's how we gonna play that game. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. So I'm gonna just put some butter in to season my water a little bit. Little piece of butter, I'm only using 1 pack because I'm not feeding the army today. It's just me and my 2. I have 3, but you know, crazy stuff. I have my other 2 who are well and good. I season my water. I don't know how y'all do, but I season my water because I don't like uncooked salt. I'm gonna do a little bit of Old Bay seasoning for my shrimp when it go in there. Just a tad bit, not a whole lot. I put some salt and some Old Bay thus far. And, you know, we're gonna wait for that to come to a boil. So in the meantime, between time, how y'all doing? I am wonderful. Y'all, I started my candle business. It's finally on, I finally got it on a platform. I got it on soulforteallc.com. I got a bunch of different smells, a bunch of different colors and scents. I do customer requests, and I do intention candles as well. I had a lady buy customer confidentiality, but I did have a lady buy a candle for me, and it was a money candle, and she turned around and hit some big money. You know, I ain't gonna tell you how she hit the big money, but you know, use your imagination. Yeah, my candles work, and I make them. You know, I burned this one a couple days ago, and it got my intentions in it. It's my candle, my personal candle, and yeah, I swear by it. I don't swear, but you know, I swear by it. I like making candles, and I put my good intentions on it. I put my good little mojo on it. You know, I do my little this naive. I'm from North Carolina, just a little country girl, you know. But I do this. I don't know what else to say. What I'm supposed to say? Waiting for this to boil. I got my eye on high, but I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. I'm gonna cook my macaroni first because that takes the longest to cook, and then as that cooks down, I'm gonna drop my broccoli in because that takes I'm gonna do it like that. I don't cook in like a specific order. I just cook by what makes sense. You know, if it take a long time to cook, you cook that first. Simple stuff. That's all. That's pretty much it. Yeah. Go buy my candles at soulforteallc in a drop down box, or not in the drop down box, in the search bar. Click the search bar, type in candles, and there I go. The humble spirit. Y'all go support me. Come to my channel and support me as well. I do other things. I make hair care products, you know what I'm saying? I only been growing my locks for about 4 years, and they like lower back length. If I take these out right now, yeah, they'll be lower back length. I grow hair real good. I'm a grower, and I'm a shower. So pun of words. Forgive me for that. It was just that was good to me. That was good to me. Yeah. Yeah. Just a little conversation. Just a little conversation. That's all. Yeah. Little stuff about me. I love to hunt. I am a hunter. I do whatever season it is. I hunt whatever it is. If it's deer season, I'm hunting deers. I abide by the law. That's all. I abide by the law. Sometimes. A couple times, times got hard, But I ain't gonna let my babies go hungry. That's one thing I can't do. That's why I know I did a TikTok I think yesterday. I think it was yesterday, and it was saying in 2022 I'm gonna be hungry. And I bust out laughing because I was like, I never go hungry. Because for one, I know how to hunt, so I know how to go get my own food. And for two, if I got it, I got it. You can't go hungry if you know how to get it. That's just a given. And that's what it's saying. I just thought that was hilarious. That was the bee's knees that day. It was good to me. So add my mac and cheese. Hey y'all, hey. I'm gonna have to do some cutting out. Yeah. So I'm gonna let that cook a little bit. And then I'm gonna add my broccoli. Well, no, I'm gonna add my Yep, so this all I do every day. I cook all day, every day. If y'all know Soul for Tea, y'all know she cook all day too. Well, she don't cook all day, but she be cooking. When she cooks, she throws down. You hear me? So, I do the same thing a little bit. I do a little something. I might do mine a little different than how Soul for Tea do hers, and amateur cooking guy, they do their stuff real good too. So, I'm trying to get my foot in the door a little bit. So, yeah. Let it cook a little bit more, and then I'm gonna add my shrimp to it, and then I'm gonna let my broccoli steam right on top of it, and that's pretty much all she wrote. And then add my little cheese, and yeah, that's it. Yep. You got to make sure you time it just right, so you don't want your macaroni cooked, real soft. I don't like soggy macaroni, so yeah. I don't like it soggy, so I wait until till it's just like not even just about done, but I wait till they got a little bit bigger than what they are when they come out the box, so I can cook everything down and everything cook down just right. I don't cook it down too much, but I let it cook down just real good. These are deveined and shell free. You know, they already out the shell and all that good stuff. I'm gonna put the whole bag in there because my babies love shrimp. We love shrimp around these parts. Yep, so that's cooking down. Just let that cook down. My broccoli was already thawed out, so all I got to do right now is get hot, basically. So, yeah, it's almost done. We ain't got long on this dish. Next thing I'm trying to try is that salty cookie dough. Or, yeah, the cookie dough. I love some cookies, some chocolate chip cookies. I get picked on a lot because I eat chocolate chip cookies real bad, but I don't care because I love me a good chocolate chip cookie. I might be trying to make my own little recipe for it, you know. I might be trying to try some stuff. I might not, you know. So fatigue got all that stuff, so I might not even worry about it for real. But hey, who knows what the cards hold in the future, you know. Yeah, just making conversation. Hey y'all, hey. I don't care how much you clean up. My daughter, she know how much I clean up, cause I don't like nasty stuff. I don't like dirt. I don't like grit. I don't like none of that stuff. But she know how much I clean up, and I try to keep I try to keep my dishes nice, neat, and organized, and all that good stuff. And not the kitchen sink, but she'll see an empty sink and come put anything right in it. She won't think, oh, let me wash this. More just wash the dishes. She'll hit me with the, oh, I didn't know. Yes, you did. You saw me clean it up. Oh, that's looking good, y'all. I'm about to get ready to strain the water off of this. My broccoli looking done. My broccoli was done already. Just had to cook for a little minute. The shrimp done. And really all I got to do is strain it off, put the cheese on, and add my little razzle dazzle to it. It'll be done. It's time to eat almost. It's almost time to eat. So yeah, y'all watch me prepare this dish. It's gonna be good. Yeah, the macaroni right where I needed to be at. I know it ain't mushy, but they good size. I go by the size when I cook macaroni. Don't care what nobody say. Don't let nobody tell you size ain't everything when it comes to macaroni. That is. Yeah, Yeah, I'm starting to smell that broccoli real good. And you know what? Me personally, I don't drain all the water off. I mean, I do. I get a lot of it off, but I don't like completely make it like really, really dry. Only because I like how it is with a just I don't like dry food. So if I was to drain it all the way off, I put like a little piece of butter back in it just to make it, you know, like I said, a little razzle dazzle. That's all. Just a little razzle dazzle. Make sure I got all that cheese out. That cheese be banging though, I ain't gonna tell you. But as my brother say, I ain't even gonna hold you. I ain't even gonna hold you. I don't talk like that, but yeah. It's really good. See what I would normally do, but I ain't gonna do it today because I just ain't feeling it. But what I normally do is add a little egg in it, put a little milk, a lot more cheese, not a lot, but a little more cheese, and put in the oven, baby. It'll be so good. I'm gonna have to fix it for y'all for real one of these good old days. But my babies is hungry, so I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. Check out. Delish. Yummy. Right. It's been fun. That's my dish for today. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Yep. Y'all like, share, subscribe. Make sure y'all go check out Sofa T, her page, and Amateur Cooking Guy. Yeah, so love you guys. Bye.